Meet Rohan. He loves art and takes part in a lot of competitions, including winning prize money. Rohan's dream is to study at the best design schools in Europe, but that's going to cost a lot of money. Rohan knows this and tries to save up most of his prize money in his bank account. Good going, Rohan. But do you think it will add up enough in a few years? Hey Rohan, have you heard about the power of compounding? Power of compounding is a fantastic way to get your regular savings to become a large sum over the years. Sounds interesting? Here's how it works. Let's say you have saved rupees 50,000 in your bank account. At an interest rate of 6% per annum, your savings would earn an interest of rupees 3,000. And since you intend to use this money only later, you can leave the entire amount of rupees 53,000, rupees 50,000 plus 3,000 in the bank account itself. At the end of the next year, you earn more interest, rupees 3,180, because even the previous year's interest amount now earns interest. This is called compounding. Want to know what makes compounding really powerful? Let's say this continues over a few more years. The initial amount, rupees 50,000, gets added with more and more interest each year due to compounding, and the total amount becomes around rupees 90,000 in 10 years. And if the interest rate was 10% per annum instead of 6%, the amount will be a whole lot more in 10 years. Almost rupees 1,30,000. All this from your one-time saving of rupees 50,000. And now for the real magic. If you save just rupees 5,000 every month, that's rupees 60,000 saved every year. At an interest rate of 10% in 10 years, the total amount can compound to over 10 lakhs. Amazing, right? And this is how, with the discipline of regularly saving money and the power of compounding, you can get enough fuel to power all your dreams. The key is to start early. Go for it, Rohan. Keep moving.